Yes, you can go out to eat and still lose weight. And today I'm going to give you 11 tips on how to do it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first tip is as soon as you sit down, as soon as you order food, also ask for a to go box. And the reason why is restaurants today serve huge portion sizes. And that can really add to your calories that you don't need, that will not take away from the enjoyment of your meal if at first you'll ask for a to go box. And as soon as the server brings you your food, you put half of your portion size that they've given you into a to go box and take it home with you for later. The thing about weight loss is it's all about getting into an energy deficit. And when you go out to eat, they're going to serve you much more food than you actually need for one sitting most of the time. So tip number 1 is ask for a to go box. Tip number 2 is choose options on the menu that are grilled, baked, broiled, or sauteed instead of fried. Preparing your food in this way will lower the energy density of the meal and make it a healthier option that stays much more in line with your energy requirements, calorie requirements, to lose weight. So instead of going all out, and you certainly can, but a tip to still enjoy going out to restaurants while you're in a weight loss phase or a weight maintenance phase is to ask for your food to be prepared either grilled, baked, broiled, or sauteed, as opposed to fried. Tip number 3, opt for vinaigrettes on your dressings for salads, as opposed to the thick and creamy, very energy dense and calorie and fat heavy dressings. So you're going to be able to eat more of these vinaigrettes than like the thick and creamy dressings and still enjoy your meal. You can still enjoy going out, just opt for vinaigrettes over the thick and creamy dressings. Number 4, substitute a side of potatoes or a baked potato, cream potatoes, scallop potatoes, cheesy potatoes, French fries. Substitute the potato sides with vegetables like broccoli and asparagus, or a vegetable medley that maybe has squash. These are going to be much, much better for you, a healthier option, and an option that stays in line with your weight loss goals. Tip number 5, drink water or tea sweetened with a calorie-free sweetener, as opposed to sweet tea sweetened with all the sugar, or soft drinks. And the reason why is a lot of calories. You can consume a whole lot of calories in a very short amount of time when you drink soft drinks and drinks that are laden with sugar. That goes for those yummy drinks from a Starbucks that have all the sugar in them. You can opt for lighter, healthier, less calorie dense options by going with water, flavored water, tea, unsweet tea, sweeten it with any like stevia, calorie free sweeteners. Also, green tea is a great option. Number 6, limit your alcohol consumption when you go out. A lot of especially young people enjoy going out to bars, but maybe they have health and fitness goals. Well, if you're wanting to still go out to eat, enjoy restaurants, go out to bars, you can do that. You're going out to be social. Just limit the number of drinks you consume while you're out instead of going out and getting hammered or enjoying one drink after another throughout the night. Set an intention before you even get to the restaurant or before you get to the bar that you'll only have 2 drinks. And that way, you can still enjoy the company, still enjoy the atmosphere, but you're not drinking alcohol and empty calories the whole night. So, yes, you can still enjoy alcohol while you're in a weight loss phase, but limit your alcohol consumption to 2 drinks because you're gonna have a lot of hidden calories in those alcoholic beverages, as well as soft drinks. Number 7, split dessert with a friend or your date, or just take half to go home for later and have it for later. And the reason why is you don't want to deprive yourself, but back to being in an energy deficit, it's all about balance. So, sure, you can still enjoy dessert, but maybe you only enjoy half that dessert at the restaurant and you take the other half to go and save it for later. Number 8, look for lean protein options on the menu. This is gonna be your lean steak, your chicken, fish is a great option, shrimp, shellfish. So look for lean protein options on the menu. When you focus on the protein, you'll feel more satiated, you'll feel more full, you'll feel more satisfied when you leave as opposed to especially, like, casseroles in the South, especially, where you have all this stuff thrown together and you don't really know what's in it. Cheese toppings can be a big calorie adder that you want to try to avoid. So, look for lean protein options. What I do when I go out to eat, if I'm in a cutting phase, I will order, like, a lean protein and a side of vegetables. I'm still enjoying going out, I'm still enjoying the company, but I'm just making different choices. That's what this is all about. Number 9, be mindful of calorie-dense sauces. So, you can take in a lot of calories that you don't need, that don't add anything to the meal. It's just adding flavor because of the calorie-dense sauces. That's not to say Alfredo sauce isn't delicious, but if you're in a cutting phase, maybe you should rethink what type of sauces you get with your food. Tip number 10, ask for sauces and dressings on the side. When you ask for the sauces and dressings on the side, typically restaurants are happy to do that for you. And instead of, like, bathing your food in these sauces, a smarter alternative is to dip your fork in the sauce and then take a bite. That way you're still getting the flavor of the sauce, you're just not getting your food drowned in it. You're not bathing your food in it. You're getting just enough for the flavor. Still enjoyable. And the last tip, tip number 11, be present. While you're dining out and you're in a weight loss phase, you're in a cutting phase, or you're in a maintenance phase, one way to stay within your energy balance and still enjoy your time out is to be present. Eat mindfully, enjoy the company, enjoy the food, eat more slowly instead of rushing through your meals. And in doing so, you're still enjoying going out, you're still enjoying the restaurant experience, but you're not eating so fast that you don't recognize when you've had enough, and you're getting to enjoy the entire social experience, the entire dining experience when you're present in your mind and present in your body. So, tip number 11 is be present. I hope this helped. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Also, you'll notice in the description box links to a weight loss hypnosis bundle. You can use code YouTube25 for 25% off that. There's also a link for the Lose Weight, Feel Great challenge I have coming up. So click the link for that. And other courses and bundles, the goal setting training bundle is down below. So opt into that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on social media. The links are below. VIP upgrade is available for the Lose Weight, Feel Great challenge, DM me VIP